Welcome to this wonderful, traditional home located on a quiet cul-de-sac in the desirable West Grove neighborhood. This convenient location is close to Bridgeport, Lake Oswego shopping, restaurants, the Lake Grove swim easement, and has easy access to I-5. The covered front porch invites you inside, where you'll discover a warm interior with hardwood floors and high ceilings. The great room is perfect for cozy gatherings with a gas fireplace. It opens to the spacious kitchen with granite countertops, an island with an eating bar, a pantry, stainless steel appliances, and a gas top range. You can entertain in the formal dining room, and you'll find a light and bright office with vaulted ceilings. On the upper level, you can relax in the roomy master suite with vaulted ceilings. The master bath is well appointed with a step-in shower, soaking tub, double sinks, and a walk-in closet. This more than 2,200 square foot home has 3 more bedrooms on this upper level, another full bath. And you'll find an upstairs laundry room with storage cabinets. Outside, gather with friends and family on the covered back patio in the private fenced backyard with a sprinkler system. A fabulous traditional home in a great neighborhood. It's all here ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Pam Irish with Premier Property Group at 503-537-7221. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.